the natural logarithm, y equals ln x. ln is a notation that we use, logarithm natural if you like, when we have a log to the base e. And it's the inverse function of the exponential function y equals e to the x. Now we know things like y equals 2 to the x are exponential functions, but y equals e to the x is often referred to as the exponential function. We know that when we graph a function and its inverse, that they are reflections of each other in the line y equals x. For example, we know that y equals x squared, defined for x greater than or equal to 0, and y equals the square root of x are inverse functions. And here we have that. So the blue one is y equals x squared for x greater than or equal to 0. The red one is y equals the square root of x. And the green line here is y equals x. We can see clearly that the blue curve and the red curve are reflections of each other in y equals x. We can graph y equals the natural log of x and y equals e to the x in the same way, and here they are. So the red curve is y equals e to the x. It has that familiar shape with the negative portion of the x-axis being the asymptote and the intercept here as 0, 1. So the log, being the reflection, has the negative y-axis as its asymptote and an intercept here on the x-axis of 1, 0. We know that we can solve equations using inverse operations. So we can solve exponential equations using logarithms and solve logarithmic equations using exponentials.